Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an inventory product in QuickBooks Online. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in QuickBooks, you might want to find a plan that's right for you. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. Now, once you are here, creating an inventory product in QuickBooks Online is beneficial for businesses that buy and sell physical products because it will allow you to track the quantity of each product you have on hand. Creating inventory products enables you to accurately monitor your stock levels, know when to order, and avoid stockouts or overstock situations because from here, you have the option for the cost of goods sold or COGS calculation. With inventory products, QuickBooks Online can automatically calculate the cost of goods sold for each sale. Now, this helps you accurately determine your gross profit margin and provides valuable insights into your business's profitability. Now, inventory products allow you to generate detailed sales reports by product, providing insights into which products are selling well and which ones may need more attention. Now, for us to be able to create our inventory product, what we need to do here is go to the left side panel of your dashboard, click on sales, and hover now to the products and services. And from here, all you have to do, all right, is go to the option for new. Just click on the service. If you don't have the inventory here, that means you might need to upgrade your subscription to the plus plan or the premium plan. All right. But for now, we're going to use service. And from here, all you have to do is just fill out as much as information as you can. Say, for example, the inventory product that you are going to use is right, and just put out some SKU. It's up to you. Maybe let's put some information here, and you need to choose a category. All right, you can add one. Say just save, and from here you can put as much as detailed description as you can, right? Because QuickBooks Online offers various inventory reports that provides insights to your inventory levels, turnover, and valuation. Now, these reports help you make informed decisions about inventory management, such as identifying slow-moving items or optimizing reorder points. And from here, you can create your price. Say that's going to be like 50. And you also have an option for the income account, right? Is it going to be for inventory product and categories income and a lot more, right? Now, if you wanted to change this specific type, because we are on the product service information, if you wanted to say you have now the option for the inventory product because you upgraded your plan to the plus or premium subscription, just click on the change type, and from here just choose the inventory type. All right, it's a straightforward process, really. Now, once you've done that, all you have to do is just, you have the options here. You can save and new, or you can save and close, right? Now, from here, basically, inventory products seamlessly integrate with sales and purchasing workflow in QuickBooks Online. Now, when you create invoices or sales receipt, right, for the inventory items, the quantities sold are automatically deducted from your inventory. And of course, similarly, when you enter bills or purchase orders for inventory items, the quantities received are added to your inventory. And matter of fact, when you have like an option here, if say, for example, you do not need to use this particular inventory product, all you have to do is click on the run report, basically delete or make it inactive. Now, if you click on the run reports right here, because QuickBooks Online offers various inventory reports that provides insights to your inventory levels such as turnover and valuation. Now, these reports help you make informed decision about inventory management, and such as identifying slow moving items or optimizing reorder points. And as you can see, you have an option here. You can have the duration of the time. Is it going to be cash or accrual? You can also have the option to switch to classic view, or you can try the modern view or customize. So there's a lot that you can do here during the dashboard. So it's highly customizable at this point. And all I'm going to do is click on the run report or click on save customization. But if you don't want it, just go back to the report list. And from here, these are the detailed reports that you can generate. And again, that would help you itemize and identify slow moving items and ordering points. All right. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.